Hello everyone, my name is Kumar Gaurav and I welcome you to my YouTube channel WSO2 Bytes. In my channel, I've already built a complete API Manager version 4 series covering API management concepts, architecture, and real world implementations. Continuing the same learning approach, I am excited to introduce WSO2 Micro Integrator series version 4. This series is designed to help you to understand integration from the ground up. We'll start from absolute basics, move into the core integration concepts, and then we'll apply those concepts step by step hands on lab exercises. So, let's start. Here is the agenda about today's video. We'll see an introduction to integration or WSO2 integration, which is now an umbrella of integration products supported by WSO2 for respective use cases. Next, we'll see an architecture of WSO2 integrator. Now we'll focus on an integration product called WSO2 Micro Integrator V4. Next, we'll see about some of the core capabilities of MI version 4 followed by the newly introduced features in MI version 4.4. Introducing WSO2 Integrator. So WSO2 Integrator is a suite of WSO2 integration products used for enterprise integration. It facilitates to use WSO2 integration softwares either on premises or on the cloud. It's a public cloud or even on the private cloud. Let's see about the core capabilities. It boosts the productivity and accelerate time to market with AI assisted low code development. AI assisted low code development with 100% pro code parity, making it possible by underlying Ballerina programming language. If we talk about the protocols, so it supports HTTP with built with the modern protocols such as GraphQL, gRPC, TCP, WebSockets, and more. We talk about data mapping. So the WSO2 integrator now easily understands the data types and the relationships between them at a glance, making uh, the mapping, visual mapping, much faster. If we talk about streaming integration, so it consumes a lot of events and it passes to the downstream consumers in a desired protocol and a format with guaranteed delivery and aggregations and summarizations. Intelligent digital experiences, integrating GenAI models, knowledge bases, and AI agents in your apps to create your AI powered intelligent digital experience or build your own AI agents for any business need. Monitoring is an important aspect. So WSO2 integrator is now coming with the integration control plane. So you can manage and monitor your integration projects from a single control plane, allowing you to maintain control and flexibility across your integration landscape. Finally, the observability by any open telemetry tool with complete control and visibility over behavior and the performance. Now let's see the umbrella of WSO2 integrator, what all products it has. First we have WSO2 Ballerina integrator or BI. Then we have a WSO2 integrator MI, which is micro integrator, along with the cloud version which is coming as AI iPaaS, which is called Devant, integrator SI, which is your streaming integrator, and ICP, which is your integration control plane. So Ballerina integrator, again, it's all the products are 100% open source, and Ballerina integrator is coming powerful low code development experience that superpowers your development experience. If we talk about Ballerina, so it's a programming language developed by WSO2 specifically for integrations development. WSO2 integrator, which is again an 100% open source downloadable software, you can run anywhere. Devant already it's coming as a separate product, which is as AI iPaaS. Integrator SI, which is streaming integrator, it's again a 100% open source flow designer and stream processing engine with a strong monitoring analytics functions. Integration control plane, it provides an enhanced experience for developers and administrators to easily manage and monitor your deployments from a single control plane, streaming operations and increase efficiency. Now let's see the WSO2 integrator architecture. So you can see we have developers who primarily develop their code using the development tools like Visual Studio Code, and they initiate the deployment via the CI/CD process. The code is then deployed to respective runtimes, whether it's a ballerina integrator, micro integrator, or streaming integrator. Based upon the code, it connects to respective systems and services for exchanging the data, and respective orchestration logic is performed. And down the line, we have observability and analytics tool where the events are published, and finally the admins and even sometimes developers also participate in observability and monitoring of those services via the unified control plane, which is your ICP. Sometimes some CLI tools are also used for this purpose. Introducing WSO2 Micro Integrator version 4. WSO2 Micro Integrator is the runtime engine for building, transforming, and orchestrating integrations, whether you are working on system to system integration, backend integration, or legacy modernization. MI plays a critical role in modern integration architectures. It helps developers to build integrations using low-code platforms. MI development is now with Visual Studio Code and MI extensions. MI supports multiple integration styles like microservices, cloud native, and centralized ESB style. It gives you the flexibility to connect the applications, API services, data, and cloud-based applications as well. Now let's quickly see some of the capabilities of WSO2 MI, like solving integration challenge, which says the connecting to business apps, API-based integrations, apps modernization. Another aspect is, or we would say the capability is low-code integration. So now we have a VS Code IDE where we can integrate, we can start the development using MI plugin, and drag and drop capabilities are already there for the faster development experience. Digital transformation, sorry, it's a data transformation and integration. So it gives you an efficient data exposure, complex data transformation, and visual data mapping. It gives the flexible deployment options we have already discussed, like microservices, ESB style, or the cloud native deployments. And finally, connectors and templates, like 200 plus technology connectors now available in the connector store. It gives you the flexibility to develop your connectors and adaptable templates for usability purpose. Now, what's new in Micro Integrator version 4.4? The latest release is Micro Integrator version 4.4, which gives you a AI powered code development, enhanced Visual Studio Code user interface. Now you can integrate my plugins into VS Code and have a drag and drop kind of a development experience. Simplified setup and onboarding. So version 4.4 simplifies the setup and onboarding with direct installation via the VS Code plugin. So it automatically seeks for the required packages and binaries like Java and MI packages to be installed for the development purpose. Simplified expressions, the newly version introduces the simplified with something, it's like an innovative expression editor. The solution is designed to make expression management more intuitive and less error prone for users at all the levels. A new tool has been implemented to simplify the connector development by auto-generating connectors with open API specifications. Next, we have the enhanced mediator testing capabilities. So, tryout mediator feature has introduced with a more interactive and direct approach to testing mediators during the design phase. So there are some new mediators, connectors, and mediator enhancement which has been carried out. The new scatter getter for each variable mediator. There are some of the examples which has been added to address common use cases, and the mediator UI has been simplified and improved with simplified for the improved usability. A new HTTP connector has also been added to simplify the user experience or integration with HTTPS protocol based systems. So now this version is fully compatible with JDK 21 and provides the ability to leverage the latest Java platform features. Upgrade process has now been simplified. That is, these certain enhancements have been introduced and it has been implemented without requiring a major runtime changes. This means you can upgrade your existing deployments seamlessly with minimal disruption to your operations, particularly with version 4. So thank you very much. So, and that's all for this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I'll be using the hands-on lab exercises, core concepts as well. Thank you very much.